Hi, good peoples. How are you? I hope you will be the fine. When you will complete your education, BTech, BE, or a diploma, then after this you go to any job. Then the basic thing that you face, you should not pass your interview. Here we will discuss about 50 question answer. If you prepare them, then you can easily pass your interviews. The Here is a list of 50 civil engineering interview question and answer to ensure your next interview is will be success. So please continue completely this video and after this subscribe my channel so you can get notification from any updated. The first question, how do you measure the volume of concrete? It means that how you calculate volume of concrete. For example, you give order to uh, for concrete, then how you will measure. The volume of concrete is calculated by multiplying its length, width, and thickness together. Length, breadth, and its thickness. For example, 1 meter is length, 1 meter its breadth, and 1 meter its depth. So it will be 1 meter cube of volume of concrete. The second question is why concrete cover is provided for reinforcement. Concrete cover is a space bar which provided in steel. So for uh, segregation, so not come segregation and not come honeycomb. Concrete cover for reinforcement is required to protect the rebar against corrosion. Corrosion mean when the iron is brushed, iron is change its color, it show corrosion, and to provide resistance against fire resistance against. Question number three: how do you check level on construction site? I will check the level on the construction site by spirit level. Number one, spirit level, the me level, and the leveling pipe. There are three methods to check for leveling: spirit level, dumpy level, and leveling pipe. These are basic things. Question number four: what is the accuracy of the dummy level or minimum reading we can take? Dummy level, what is accuracy? It's 5 mm. With the help of dummy level, we can take a 5 mm accurate reading or minimum reading. When the interviewer question you that tell me accuracy of dummy level, you give him only answer 5 mm. How do you calculate the weight of 12 mm and 10 mm dia steel on site? It's simple by multiplying length of steel bar with its unit weight. The unit weight formula is d square over 162.2 kg per meter. So the unit weight of 10 mm is a 0.16 kg, and when you will multiply by 12, it's 7.2 kg of full weight of one bar, which is the equation used for calculating the unit weight of the steel bar. Formula d square over 162, calculating the unit weights. Question number 7, what is the size of concrete cube? Concrete cube what is size? 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter is size. What do you do if any concrete cube fails in 28 days compression strength test? If the concrete cube fails in the strength test, I will conduct a core cutter test on concrete and send a report to higher authority. If concrete fail on strength test, then I will take one more test which is cutter core test, and it give to report to the higher authority. What is the mix ratio for M20 grade? M ratio 20 ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3. These are very important questions which I discussing you. What are the steps involved in building construction? There are steps involved. First is concreting, mason work, plastering work, flooring work, form work, steel cutting and bending, plumbing work, electric work, all the work which you know involved on a construction. Read more. What is civil engineering history scope in top 20 universities? What is the unit weight of 12 bar? Unit weight 0.89 kgs per meter. What is the density of steel? This is a very important question. 7,850 kg per meter cube. If you not know the density of material, then you cannot calculate the quantity of materials. Question number 13. In Fee 415 steel grade indicated the that tensile strength. It showed tensile strength. If you see on the steel bar written 515 or 500, 5000 or something, then it shows tensile strength. Tensile strength. What is the volume of a 50 kg bag? Volume 0.035 meter cubic. This is a residential building. Average value of stair width 90 centi or 900 mm. The slope of stairs should be 40 degrees centigrade. This should be between 25 to 40. It depends on how you design your stair. Minimum diameter of steel in column 12 mm. You cannot use less than 12 mm. Standard size of brick 90 centi by 9 centi by 9 centi. These are basic things. What is the unit weight of RCC? RCC unit weight 2500 kg per meter cube in RCC and PCC 2400. There will be 400. 1 acre is equal to that square feet. This is a square feet. 43,560 square foot. What is the full form of UTM? Universal Testing Machine. UTM stand for Universal Testing Machine. CMOT expire after 3 months. 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. 1 square meter is equal to 10.76 square feet. What is the unit weight of 25 mm steel bar? 3.85 kg per meter. 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acres. 1 gallon 3.78 liters. And 1 kilonewton is equal to 101 kg. This is a very important question. 1 kilonewton 101 kg. You can say 102 kg. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs, and maximum free fall of concrete allowed is 1.5 meter. It's mean you can put concrete from height 1.5 meter. If you put more than 1.5 meter, then it's produce segregation. Instrument used for level work on a construction site. Dummy level. This is used in surveying. Minimum bars in a circular column should be 6, and the square column will be 4. What is the full form of AAC? Autoclave lab, autoclave aerated concrete. Autoclave aerated concrete. What is the full form of NDT? Non-destructive test. Non-destructive test. What is the full form of JCP? Just Cyril Bamford. Which test is conducted to determine the bearing capacity of soil? Plate load test. Plate load test is conducted for the bearing capacity. Ring and ball tests are conducted on which construction material? Bitumen. Ring and ball test is conducted for bitumen test. Minimum hook length as per IS code is 75 mm. It means 7.5 centimeter. What is the extra length in bent up bar? 4.5. And what is the least count dummy? 5 mm. Least count least count dummy 5 mm. Accuracy. What is the full of EGL? Existing ground level. EGL, existing ground level. A fire A first-class bricks should absorb water more than 20%. First-class bricks will be absorb 20% of its water. Number of bricks used in 1 cubic meter of brickwork 500 numbers. In 1 cubic meter there will be used 500 numbers of bricks. The normal consistency of Portland cement 25%. The expansion in Portland cement is tested by soundness test. Soundness test is used for a expansion in Portland cement tested by. And according to IS code, full strength of concrete is achieved after 28 days. The concrete test is conducted 3 days, 7 days, and 28 days. And at 28 days, the total strength will be 99.9% of its concrete wall. What is the volume of one bag of cement? 0.35 meter cube. And the minimum grade of concrete used for RCC M20. Cement expire after 3 months. 3 months. After 3 months, you cannot use cement. And when you store cement, it should be in a proper place where the moisture content not come. And this is another topic we will discuss in another video. What is the full form of DPR? Detailed Project Report. This is a very important thing in construction. You should write the detailed project report for the full estimation and going project. And the last question, what is the initial and final setting time of cement? Initial 30 minutes and 60 minutes for final setting time. It's mean 10 hours. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you will understand. So thank you for watching.